Every plant in your growing room producing a flower is a female. We're uplifting the women that are helping create the foundation in this new Mexican industry that is going to add to the diversity that we see here in this state. Let's give back to our communities outside of cannabis so they can recognize us as their neighbor, as their partner.
We all know the power of the plant, but it's our job as cannabis advocates to get that message out to everybody else.
Hard work pays off, and the ability to believe in yourself, your team, and your dream.
Your hands are in the dirt, and it's meditative in a way that it connects you to this earth and to the people around us in a way that I can't even describe to you.
We share our wins, we tell what our losses are, and we try and educate the rest of the community so that they're not making the same mistakes.
It's an amazing plant that brings people together. That is why we are all sitting on this panel. That is why we're all here. Fun fact.